Welcome to 30 Days of DataWeave. If you've ever struggled with transforming data inside MuleSoft, this series is going to change everything for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 1 and we're starting right from the basics. Whether you're completely new to MuleSoft or just want to sharpen your DataWeave skills, you're in the right place. Over the next 30 days, I'll guide you step by step until you're confidently writing transformations used in real-world integrations. DataWeave is MuleSoft's powerful transformation language. Anytime we convert data inside a Mule application, JSON to XML, CSV to JSON, or even mapping one structure to another, DataWeave is doing the heavy lifting. It's simple, it's expressive, and it's used in almost every MuleSoft project. Most integrations live and die by the quality of their data transformations. If your payload isn't shaped correctly, the API breaks. If the structure isn't clean, downstream systems fail. DataWeave makes these transformations predictable, readable, and reliable. Learning DataWeave is one of the fastest ways to level up as a MuleSoft developer. Let's start with the simplest example. A DataWeave script begins with the version, the output type, and then the transformation. Here's what a basic script looks like. This tiny script already shows the core idea. You declare what you want as output and DataWeave handles the rest. Hands-on demo. Launch Studio. Create a new Mule project. Open the default flow inside your project. Add an HTTP listener. This lets us call the API from Postman or browser. Drag HTTP listener into flow. Set host, localhost, port 8092 path. Next, add a transform message component, drag transform message. It can work with payload, vars, attributes, properties. When you place the script inside a transform message component, this is where we write our first DataWeave script. Write your first DataWeave script test and call the API. Mule executes the transformation instantly. Every time the endpoint is hit, using Postman DW converts the payload automatically. It executes every time the API is called, generates the response. It's fast, clean, and consistent, exactly what integrations need. You can expand the script by adding fields, calculations, or timestamps. For example, adding now prints today's date and time. Changing the message updates the response immediately. This real-time feedback is one of the reasons DataWeave is so enjoyable to work with. So that's day 1, a simple, clean introduction to DataWeave. You now understand what it is, why it's so important, and how a basic script works inside a Mule flow. From here, things will get more interesting and much more practical. Thanks for joining me on day 1 of the series. Tomorrow, in day 2, we are heading into the DataWeave playground, the fastest way to practice transformations without even opening AnyPoint Studio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video, Day 2, DataWeave Playground Editor Basics. See you in the next one.